Are you frustrated of Telegram freezing right when you need it the most? These solutions, which I'm going to show you, are going to help you fix that issue. So follow my steps carefully. Let's open our control center if you're on iPhone, or your notification center if you're an Android user, and then tap on the little airplane mode icon right here. Then wait a couple of seconds and disable it by tapping on it one more time. This step will essentially restart your Wi-Fi and your mobile data connections, which may have had issues, and resetting them this way can help out with the Telegram app freezing. What I'll then do is I will open my Telegram app, swipe from the bottom, and then close the app completely from my app switcher. This was solution number 2 for you, but if these two didn't fix the problem, then we'll open the Settings app on our phone. And our job in here is to check if the background app refresh option is enabled and if Telegram is also turned on. This switch is located in the General section, so let's tap here. After that, I'm going to swipe a little towards the bottom of the page until I find this background app refresh option. Firstly, let's make sure that it's not off. So set it either to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. And this will enable your apps to use the phone's internet connection in order to fetch information in the background. So once you do enable this, go back, then scroll until you find Telegram on the list and turn this switch on in order to allow Telegram to use your internet in the background and update your messages, calls, and other stuff. Fix number 4 is opening our App Store or our Google Play Store if you're an Android user, and just check if your Telegram application is fully updated to the latest version. If there's an update option here, then tap on that. Wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the app is downloaded and installed to your phone. This will give us bug fixes and performance improvements, which should take care of the issue with the Telegram app freezing. If even this didn't solve the problem, I have one more fix for you, and I'm going to open the Settings app one more time, then General. We're going to tap on the iPhone storage option, which is then going to show me a list of apps which I've installed on my device, and our job is to find the Telegram app on the list. Here it is, and what I'm going to do now is I'll simply open Telegram, then tap on this Offload App option. This option is going to remove the bugs or the corrupted files which the Telegram app may have. It will remove the app from your phone, but it won't remove your calls or your messages, so you don't have to worry about that. After Telegram offloads, then simply tap on Reinstall App, and then wait a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes. This will give your Telegram app a fresh new start, and it should fix your problem where the app is freezing or it's not working as it should. Tell me in the comments down below what steps worked for you, and I will see you in the next video, everyone.